Hi, once again this is Teacher Tabige, and right now we will be trying to answer a word problem of a rational inequality problem. Okay, this is a rational inequality problem, a word problem. So let's try to read the problem. So a dressmaker ordered several meters of red cloth from a vendor. But the vendor only had 4 meters of red cloth in stock. The vendor bought the remaining lengths of red cloth from a wholesaler for 1,120 pesos. He then sold those lengths of red cloth to the dressmaker along with the original 4 meters of cloth for a total of 1,600. So here is the question in this part and the condition. If the vendor's price per meter is at least 10 pesos more than the wholesaler's price per meter, what possible lengths of cloth did the vendor purchase from the wholesaler? So this is the main question, guys. The length of cloth the vendor purchased from the wholesaler. Okay, solution. So let x be the length or lengths of red cloth purchased from the wholesaler. Atong butang ulit. The wholesaler. So ato siyang sabton. Since mga Bisaya nga atong mga estudyante, so atong sabton sa Bisaya ni. Ato sa sabton ang problem para sa man nato pag-answer nga ni kadayon, ikuha ta sabot sa mga problem. Now, ang dressmaker ko nag-order ko o pipila ka metros na puwa na tela sa vendor na ninda. Now, ang vendor kay wala naman sila in stock sa red cloth or sa tela, na lang siya nahabilin na 4 ka metros, so 4 meters. Mao na iyang nahabilin na stock. Now, ang iyang gibuhat si vendor is nagpalit siya og remaining lengths, pero wala naka-indicate kung pila of red cloth from a wholesaler. So, nagpalit siya remaining tela sa wholesaler. Now, ang iyong nabayaran is 1,120 pesos. Mga na yan nabayaran. So, meaning, si vendor nagpalit po remaining na tela, then nakabayad siya 1,120. Now, he then sold, iyang itinda o baligya dayon, katong mga red cloth sa dressmaker. So, iyang gitindahan, after niya nakapalit, then tindahan niya ang dressmaker. Along with the original 4 meters. So, meaning, apil tong iyang stock na 4 meters, kung daan na stock, then apil sa bagong ni abot nga tela, gikan sa wholesaler. Dayon, ang iyang nadawat, kaya iyang magitinda sa dressmaker, iyahang pagbaligya is 1,600. Muna iyang pagbaligya. Kauban na sa katong 4 meters na stock niya. So, if the vendor's price per meter is at least 10 pesos more, muna iyang condition na. If the vendor's price mo, katong ang nagtinda sa tela nagto sa dressmaker, is at least 10 pesos more. So meaning, may at least 10. So pwede siya 11. Kaya ang pinagdamay 10 man. Muna yung pasabuta, at least 10. So meaning the very least amount is 10 pesos. Diba? So meaning pwede siya 11, 12, 13. So at least 10 pesos more than the wholesaler price per meter. So meaning, ang lakto na is, pagpalit niya sa wholesaler, o niya, iyang gitinda, napalit na, vendor kuntahay ko, napalit na ako sa wholesaler ni. Niya akong gitinda dito sa dressmaker. 10 pesos ko no, ang at least, na ako ang ginansya, or should I say, ginansya, nga nadawat na ako dito sa paghuman ako baligya sa dressmaker. So, muna pasabot niya. More than the wholesaler price per meter. So, muna yung pangutana. Multi-condition na, what possible lengths of cloth did the vendor purchase from the wholesaler? So, unsa man kuno ang possible lengths ang napalit sa vendor ngadto sa wholesaler. So, ato ang solution ani, gamit ko na natong mga given diha. Now let X be the length of the red cloth purchased from the wholesaler. So si vendor ni purchase the wholesaler. So meaning, if we go on the first one, gini. Okay? So kana siya kay ang vendor man ni palit kini taon na 1,120. So meaning 1,120 over X. Diba? Kaya kung i-divide na ito siya, mo na ang length. Or should I say, kung kini atong i-divide aning length, so mo na ang gawas ng presyo. Diba? But we don't know kung sa si X. Again, ang imong nabayaran ng 1,120, kung i-divide mo sa total length, then ang total ani or ang outcome ani, that would be the price per meter. Diba? Now, let's proceed. Muna sa wholesaler ha. Vendor to wholesaler ni. So, vendor, or should I say, from wholesaler to vendor. So, ipalit ni vendor from wholesaler. So, muna si butas ako ha. Wholesaler to vendor, or si vendor ni palit ni wholesaler. So, muna. Now, let's proceed to the next one. Kini. Si vendor, yang ibaligya ni dressmaker. So, we use that one. 1,600. Okay. Over X plus 4. Nganong na ay plus 4? Diba? Pagtinda ni vendor dito ni dressmaker, kay gi-appeal pa niya ang available niya nga 4 meters old stock. Diba? So, plus the remaining. This is the remaining length. We don't know yet. Diba? Now, the total price is 1,600. So, i-divide na nato siya ani, then that would be the price of the, kung pila yung outcome ani, if we know the length. Diba? So, makibota kung pila ang presyo niya. Now, if we continue, nakabutang dire. If the vendor's price per meter is at least 10, pinakagamay 10, so meaning dapat greater than, di ba? May at least 10, so 10, 11, 12, so those things or those number are at least 10. I mean nga na, si 10 man ang pinakagamay. So, kung atong unang-una na ito given, this is from vendor to dressmaker, di ba? So, kung atong unang-una ning maong resulta. Kung atong isiyang kini niya, vendor, kining dako nga price, 1,600. Kung atong may musa ni, so that would be the ginansya, di ba? So, mo na siya ang ginansya. So, meaning, ang atong formula ni, as of the moment, okay, this is 1,600 over X plus 4 minus, di ba? Mag-minus ta. 1,120 over X. Anong mag-minus ka? Sorry. Nipiyok lang na. Nag-minus ta kay parang kay bota pila yung ginansya. Diba? Kaya nangyari na kasulti din it's at least 10 more than the wholesaler price. So, wholesaler price ani is wholesaler price per meter. So meaning, look at this, sorry. If the vendor's price per meter is at least 10 pesos more than the wholesaler's price, ang meaning na, ang ginansya niya, di ba? So meaning 10 is part. Okay, so at least 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's why natin ibutang of equal. So greater than or equal. Okay? Now, let's continue. So, hibaw naman ta sa itong step-by-step procedure. Make the other side equal to 0, then the constant, ibutang sa tikas. Diba? So, here, so this is 1,600 over x plus 4 minus 1,120 over x. Now, greater than or equal to, ibutang na ito si 10 sa tikas. So, this is minus 10. Okay. So, basically, pwede na ito butang 1 para puro sila fraction. 10 divided 1 is still 10, di ba? So, it doesn't matter. Greater than or equal to 10. Now, if we can see, guys, sorry, this is not 10. This is 0. Okay, if we can see, 1,600, 1,120, and 10 are both divisible by 10. So we can, we can simplify this by multiplying each one of them by 1 over 10. Pero, akong ipakita ninyo kung yung unsa pag-process ang taas o unsa ako ang process sa minubo. Okay? So, mo ni ang taas apart, mo ni minubo. So, okay, atong giingong diniha 1 over 10 atong multiplyan para ma-reduce na to. So, this is 1,600 over x plus 4. Okay, so next, minus 1 over 10, 1,120 over x. Okay, here, earlier ni, okay, 10, and multiply to 1. So, morning itong ganiha, kung wala pa na itong ibalhin. Okay? So, tanawa, napasi 10 sa tikas. Let's continue here. X plus 4x and 1. Binomial, monomial, then constant. So, meaning, pwede na ito sila kuha tanan as our LCD. Pero since 1 man na, pwede na po dili na ito i-appeal. Okay? So, basically, here, this one will become like this. X of x plus 4. Okay, yun na po sa x kay monomial. Pero pwede na mag-interchange, it doesn't matter. Okay, use these two LCDs. 3 yun na siya, definitely na 1. Pero di na nato yung si 1. Kaya huwag mo po yung mautro. Okay, so use this LCD to divide and multiply to the numerator. So this divide, cancel, mabilin x. So, 1,600x. Okay? So, 1,600x. Copy the symbol. Okay? C, same. Cancel ang x. X plus 4 mahabilin. So, meaning 1,120 multiply to the quantity of x plus 4. So, we will simplify it later. Minus this. Cancel ang 1, kinamit yung 1 dali. So, kining duha. Okay. So, 10x ka na times x plus 4. So, itapad na lang nato si 10x kay times ng yan. Okay. Now, So this is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Now sa pamubo na style, i-decrease natin daan. So this is 1,600 divided 10. That would be 160 over x plus 4. So basically kami pili kung asa mo ganahan. Here, 120 divided 10, that is 120. Okay, 120 divide x. Okay. Alright. Here, next, that's greater than or equal to 10 divided 10, that's 1. Okay? Now, ito ibalhin si 1 later para ma-0 direct. Same here, ma-0 po. Let's continue here. Siguro, continue na itong mga part, dito nga part. Okay, so 1,600 x minus 1,120 x. Okay. Now 1,120 times 4. Calculator. 20 times 4, 4,480. So minus, minus sign, 4,480. Here, negative 10x times x, negative 10x squared. Negative 10x times 4, that is negative 40x. Diba? 40x then greater than or equal to 0. All over here, x plus 4. Okay? So here in the minambok pamaagi, balihin natin si 1 sa tikas. So this will become 160. 160 over x plus 4. Minus 120 over x minus 1 over 1, or sorry, 1 over 0 rather. 1 over 1. Greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So muna tinag-as, muna minugbo. So atong padayon. Add like terms. Dayon simplify. So unahon na to si negative 10x squared kay x squared man na. So meaning negative 10x squared plus 1,600x minus 1,120x minus 40x minus 4,480 all over copy x plus 4. Diba? Here, kinig part, at kunin ko ng mga patag-lugar niya. Okay, this is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, here, sa minagbo mga part, tuwang ko lang, tuwang magsira ng part. So, binomial, monomial, constant, pwede gamitin sila as LCD. Pwede rin dili apilon si 1 kaya wala rin mautro na. Okay, so LCD. Akong giyon na si monomial, si binomial na yun. Okay, use this to divide and multiply sa ibabaw. X4, x plus 4, cancel out, x na bilin, so 160 x. Copy the symbol. Here, cancel si x plus 4 na bilin, so 120. Okay, 120 times x plus 4. Okay? Now here, pinakalas, wala naman ay 1 diha, di ba? Pero wala na-change. So, cancel sa 1. So, 1 times x, that is, copy sa symbol diha. So, that is x. 1 times x muna, then x plus 4. So, yan. Greater than or equal to 0. So, mo ni ang taas, mo ni minugbo. Continue na dali nga part. So, let's add like terms. It will become negative 10x squared. 1, 6 minus 1, 120 minus 40. This is 160. So 160, so that is 440. 440 plus 440. 440x. Okay. Next is same minus 480. Sakto ba? 480, 440, sakto. Okay, good. Here, x, pwede na din natin i-box, kinilay natin box, x plus 4. Okay? Then, greater than or equal to 0. Makita pa ba sa pa? Makita pa ba ang atong, okay, makita pa. So, ang minugbo, asa may natin kita nga. Ito lang i-erase nga part, kiniha. Kiniha part, i-erase lang na ito. Tayo murag mo ni nakadalwa na lang ko kayo kawat sa lugar. No? So, continue na nato diha. Continue na nato later ang inyong minugbo. Ito i-swag na naman. Swag na ito. Balik-balik para masud. So, negative 10x squared minus 16. Iba ito itong gano'n? 440x minus plus minus 480. 480. All over x times x plus 4 and greater than or equal to 0. Here, ang binunggo. This is 160. 160. Oh no. Ito pa rin. Kung sa'yo itong ibuwatan ni after. Okay, simplify na ito. So, 160 x minus 120. 120 x minus 120 times 4. 240 and 20. 240. 480. 480 minus 480. 480x. 480 no. 480 lang. X minus x squared. Minus x squared. Then minus 4x. Okay. Negative 4x. Sakto. Here, continue. Same. X plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, continue. Here, kung nakabantay gapon ta, no? Si 10, si 440, o si 4480, puro sila divisible by 10. Diba? Divisible sila sa 10. So, ato siyang i-divide each of the term by 1 over 10. Same sa atong ibuhat. So, this will become 1 over 10 times negative 10x squared. Okay? Plus 1 over 10 times 440x. Okay. 440x. Now here minus 1 over 10. 440. 480 rather. Okay. So same lang ako ng ubos. That's x negative x squared. So for the x's, that would be 160x minus 120x. This would be plus 40, di ba? Plus 40x minus 480. Okay. Saan ko ba? Ano? Na-apply minus 4. So that would be 124. So this is 36. Okay. X squared. Ano tayo na sa'yo? X squared 160. Why dili din 120? Sorry, this is 112. 112. So this is 112, guys. 112 times x, that is 112x. 112x. And then 112 times 4. Calculate. Para din masayop. 112 times 4. That's 448. That's 448. Okay, 448. Okay, so wala na isayop. Wala na. So, here, 112, okay, 160 x minus 112x minus 4x. That's 44x. Okay, 44x minus 480 minus 448. 448 all over x times x plus 4. This is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, sa'yo ka ng 448. Okay, wala na. Sakto na. Okay. Okay na. Nanani, ato i-simplify ni. So this is negative x squared. Okay, plus this is 440 divided 10, that's 44x, minus this is 4,480 divided 10, that's 448 rather, 48. Okay, then all over x multiply the quantity of x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. O, tanawan ninyo guys, parehas. Diba? Pagpili mo kung asa mo ganahan, deriva mo, or dito mo sa akong ikaduha nga gihatag nga example. So, kamoy magpili, pero wapat mo human ha. Layo para sa tinuod. Sige, atong i-continue ni. Gitaganan mo na ko options kung asa mo ganahan. So, let's continue. si 16 o si 28 are not part on the solution set. Oh, sorry, no. Kaya na may equal sign there. Na may equal sign. So meaning pag 16 and 28 pwede. Okay? Kaya na may equal. Here lang 0 and negative 4 are undefined, so they are not part on the solution set. So maghimo tag sa line. Okay? Nakalimot ko sa line graph. So line graph. Okay? So this is negative 4. Since that is undefined, lingin. Dili siya shallow. Okay? Or hollow rather. Dili shallow. Hollow. Hollow na circle. Negative 4 na. Negative 4. Next is 0. So this is 0. Assuming hollow yapon. 0. Next is 16. This is 16. Assuming. So 16 is equal. So that should be solid. So meaning appeal siya sa solution set. And 28 here. Okay? Appeal yapon siya sa solution set. Makita pa ba sa atong video? Okay. Dili na. Visual na to gamay. Okay. So kana. Makita na. So negative 4, 0, 16, 28. So meaning atong i-test, this is for the solution set. This is atong i-test point, test point, test point, test point, and test point. So lima. Lima atong i-test point. Lima atong i-test point para may bawa na to kung appeal ba sa solution set. Direta mag-test point, direta pita. I hope nga nasabda na at lang i-erase. Hindi lang tao padayon dito kaya dili na nato mahilaptan yan sa. Okay. So next test point. Interval muna. And test point. So interval, mag-una ta sa less than 4. So meaning the x is less than 4. Okay? So any number that less than 4. I mean negative 4, sorry. Negative 4. So any number that less than negative 4, test point negative 5. Atong unahon. Diba? That number is lesser than negative 4. Next, it should be in the in-between by negative 4 and 0. In-between. Kini, di na pag makita. So, makita na. So, in between, so the x is in between by negative 4. This should be greater than negative 4. And this should be less than by 0. Okay, so unsa man ang number na in between ni 0 and negative 4? Negative 1. Diba? So, ikaw ba, negative 2, negative 3, it doesn't matter. Next, tanawa dito. So, in between is 0 and 16. Okay? So, anhalata sa tunga-tunga. Kini, hindi lang nato negative 1. Para tunga-tunga lang yun. 1, 3, 2. Ito lang, negative 2. Anyway, it doesn't matter ha. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Pwede kayo. Ako lang ikuan para tunga dyan ba? 16. So, x here should be greater than 0 pero less than 16. So, unsa man ang number? Pili lang ka. 8. Sagot-sagot. Gamay lang ang number para dali lang. 1. Okay? Para dali lang 0. Test point guys. Interval. Ito yung test point nga akong ipili. So, mao niya nga ito ang come up sa itong inequality. So, let's proceed on this one. Ito ang gamiton to. Okay, ang sunod na buhaton na to. Let's start with the numerator. Numerator itong na x minus 16 and x minus 28. So x minus 16 and here x minus 28. Then sunod kay x denominator na then x plus 4. So x plus 4. Okay? So, x minus 16 kung negative 5 ang x, so this would be negative. Okay? So, kung negative 2, still negative. Okay? Positive 1, 1, that's still negative. 20 minus 16, that's positive. Diba? Now, 30 minus 16, that's positive. Okay? Now here, negative 5, negative, negative 2, this is negative. Positive 1, negative. 20 minus negative 28, negative. 30 minus 28, this is positive. Okay? Next, x. Negative 5, negative 2, positive 1, positive 20, then positive 30. X plus 4, negative 5 plus 4, this is negative. Negative 2 plus 4, this is positive. Here, this is positive, positive, positive. So una na itong buhaton, let's work on the numerator, then after that, let's work on the denominator. So numerator, negative times negative, mo ni siya, negative, kini x minus 16 times x minus 28. So meaning kini ato yung multiply doha. Negative times negative, this is positive. So positive na niya. Okay. Negative times negative, that's positive. Negative times negative, that's positive. Positive times negative, this is negative. Positive times positive, this is positive. Okay. Now next, denominator, atong i-multiply sa una para after that, atong i-divide sa numerator. Okay. Negative times negative, positive. Negative times positive, that's negative. Positive times positive, that is positive. Positive times positive, positive. Dayon, atong i-divide numerator, then divide denominator. Positive, divide positive, positive. Okay, muna ni-resolve. Okay, positive. Now next, positive divide negative, this is negative. Okay, okay. Wala na choke. Okay, negative. Positive divide positive, that's positive. Negative divide positive, that's negative. This is positive. Positive divide positive, that is positive. Okay, then go back to the original, this one. Or pwede po sa, ano ikini. So, greater than or equal. So, meaning kanang, not greater than, less than or equal. So, tanang less than, that would be negative. Diba? Tanang less than would be negative. So, meaning, kini is part, check. Kini, part, check. Okay? So, negative 2. Okay? So, kini siya mo ni, check siya. Dayon, this is wrong, check. Wrong, check, wrong. So, tanang check is appeal sa solution set, but go back to the original problem. Length of cloth, ang x. Pwede na mag-negative ang length of cloth. Diba? Dili, pwede mag-negative. So, meaning, bisan pag-appeal siya sa solution set, di gapon siya pwede nato i-appeal as the answer, kay dili man pwede mahimong negative ang length of cloth. So, this is still, bisan siya wrong, correct siya, wrong na nato gihapon. So, the answer is kinila. So, the answer would be in between 16 to 28. Muna ang presyo. Okay? So, not presyo, the length. So, what possible lengths of clothes did the vendor purchase from the wholesaler? The answer is 16 to 28. 28. Not more than 28. Di pwede. So, 16 to 28 ang ato ang final answer. So, therefore, kung ato aning himuon siyang katong the way na to pang answer, 16 and 28. Okay, so that would be, or if ingani na to, element of x, x is an element of real numbers such that x is greater than 16 and x is less than 28. So, yun na ang answer. Alright, so naman nata sa itong video. I hope nga namoy nasabtan. Kani?